web of worms and flying sky. But I